Hello, welcome to my kitchen and channel. I have one amazing breakfast recipe for you today. I have two medium potatoes. Chopping my potatoes. I chop my potatoes this way. I put some oil on my pan. I open my hearth. I will add my potatoes when my oil warms. Adding my potatoes. I will cook the potatoes until they are slightly browned. I confuse. I prepare my sauce while my potatoes are fried. I'm breaking my 2 eggs into my bowl. I add some salt. Since I don't put salt in potatoes, I add it to the egg. I add some black pepper. I add half a cup of milk. I confuse. Milk adds some softness. Finally, I add 1 pinch of chopped parsley. My sauce is ready. Mixing my potatoes. My potatoes are fried. I pour the sauce on my fried potatoes. Some on the eggs. I put it from the cheesecake I shredded. I turn the gold until the cheese melted. I will close the lid and cook. The cheeses of my egg potatoes melted, sprinkling some chili peppers. I'm taking my serving plate. Slicing. My delicious breakfast is ready to serve. It looks very delicious. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like my video. Please don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in brand new and practical recipes.